Alright, my good people, now welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. At least now, we don't come your screen with breaking news. We don't come back again with another legit intel on the things and things where they go on for inside this our green, white, green country, Nigeria. And the cocoa now we see the Minister of State for Defense will be Dr. Bello Mohammed Matawale. He now done a caution the former Minister of Transportation and the former Governor of Rivers State will be Rotimi Amechi of the consequences of inciting violence. Oga Matawale now dey sama warning say this administration wey dey led by our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu no go stand by and allow the likes of Amechi to come dey manipulate Nigerian youths into chaos and violence. And no be lie, my good people, you know say I don give you reports about one conference like that to happen for inside Abuja, and for inside that conference, for inside that event, so the former Minister of Transportation and former Governor of Rivers State will be Rotimi Amechi. He can yarn some kind things about power and politicians. He say we country people now say we better shine our eye for inside the year 2027. Oh. We better grade that, we better fight for our rights, we better fight for power, because no politician will go just hand over power, give the general public or anybody at all for inside we nation Nigeria. That time because say the politicians in question self, those men with the in power, they fit do anything, they fit buy person, they fit cause mayhem to remain in power. So if country people they reason say him will be Rotimi Amechi or even our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu go hand power give them, they waste their time, they dream, they just wake up, because it no go lie happen. So for inside the general elections we go shele for inside the year 2027, countrymen need to tie their shokoto, they need to buckle their standards, and they need to die, because now so it go guys be if they know say they want change or they want power. So reacting to all these levels now, we Oga Rotimi Amechi yarn, the Minister of State for Defense can drop statement about the matter, and for inside the statement in the yarn say all those levels where Rotimi Amechi yarn, so it no make sense at all. Say na attempt to radicalize the youth and destabilize national security. He said those comments is both reckless and dangerous. No good say a former public office holder could come aside when they make such inflammatory remarks. And in the yarn at a time we be say the government they work tirelessly to consolidate national unity and security. Say no responsible leader supposed to fan the flames of violence and political unrest. He said this our green, white, green country, so it's a sovereign nation, and it is very much governed by law, not a jungle where we say they go seize power through brute force or through fight. No. So we want to be very much clear. Security agencies are on very high alert. Any individual or group where they catch say in the cause violence or in the attempt to destabilize this nation go face the full force of the law. And Rotimi Amechi and others where they believe say they go fit manipulate their youths into chaos should rethink their actions, so they then torchlight anything they want yarn before they begin the do am. Say this government now no go just stand by, they no go just fold their hands, can they allow individuals to make attempts to disrupt the peace and stability of this our nation Nigeria. And still for inside the statement, the minister will be Matawale constantly yarn say our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is still very much committed to the unity and progress of this our great nation. And based on say he don't experience how military rule they be like, and he know how democratic governance they be like, he no go like triumph say he want undermine the very democracy we in the fight to uphold. So this my good people now wetin the Minister of State for Defense will be Dr. Bello Mohammed Matawale yarn in response to the things and things we Oga Rotimi Amechi yarn for the event we saw for inside Abuja. Anyhow the level be for body, my good people, feel free make it drop them inside our comment section. But however, we still get another legit intel with my table like this one need share give the general public. And the cocoa be say the 2023 Labour Party presidential candidate and former governor of Anambra State will be Mr. Peter Obi. He now don't come aside and slam the former governor of Osun State will be BC Akonde based on the kind allegations wey the man drop. And the allegations we say the EndSARS protest will happen for inside this our green, white, green country Nigeria He say the thing was orchestrated by the supporters of Mr. Peter Obi, wey men know as Obedience, and the EndSARS protest shele just to make sure say our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu be no contest for presidency that year. So now Mr. Peter Obi and the Obedience movement, they don come outside come dey yarn o, say all those levels now wey the former Osun State governor yarn for inside social media, e no make sense at all. Say the man dey try to rewrite history, and all the levels wey im dey yarn is very much insensitive to the memory of the victims of the EndSARS protest, particularly those people now wey bear RIP on top the matter. And no be lie, my good people, the nationwide EndSARS protest wey last between the 7th day of October and 20th day of October, the protest bin start with the demand for the disbandment of the notorious police wing wey dem dey call Special Anti-Robbery Squad (SARS). But as the protest now dey go on, the thing come small dey turn to a demand for good governance. Then through the protest, confrontations between protesters and security agents come begin dey come board, particularly for inside Lagos State. One thing come lead to another. Soldiers now dey come allegedly open fire on defenseless protesters for Lekki toll gate. But the former Osun State governor still come outside go social media go dey yarn say that EndSARS protest say no be say they dey call for good governance or they want make SARS to true end. Say na the Obedience movement na organize am to stop the presidential ambition of our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. And he said the Obedience movement sef na for inside America na dey manufacture am, and they come bring am come we nation Nigeria just to come stop our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu from running for presidency. But however, my good people, for inside one interview like that with Tori people, the media aide of Mr. Peter Obi come outside now dey tackle the things wey the man dey talk for inside social media. Say all those levels wey the former governor of Osun State yarn is very much misleading and it's insensitive to the people wey bear RIP during the protest. So with their full chest, they reject the baseless and meaningless claim by the former Osun State governor. This false narrative now is not only an insult to the memory of the young Nigerians wey bear RIP in the fight against police brutality, but is also a desperate attempt to rewrite history and shift the blame for the failures of the government. So this, my good people, na the information wey I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, or if you get contributions about the matter, feel free make you drop am inside the comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now we dey like give una legit intel on the things wey dey go on for inside we nation Nigeria. So if you like this update and you would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this our channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news dey come, na you go first receive the updates and you go even get am sharp. I dey come inside again with another legit informate for you, my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.